Hey guys, this is Marshall from Pacific Reviews, and today I'm going to do an unboxing on the Apple USB power adapter, right here. Now, I got this because I wanted another power adapter for my iPod Touch. If you guys are getting an iPhone 4 or already have one, you know that this comes with the iPhone 4, but it doesn't with the iPod Touch, so I just decided I wanted to get one. So I'm just going to open it up here. Yep, so you open it here, and it's sitting in this thing, this little plastic thing, and you slide it out. Oh, here it is. You know, it's really small. It does have some plastic packaging on here. Just kind of take this off here. It's really small. It's great. I mean, for travel and all that stuff. And you have a USB in it. So I know mine does come with an iPod Touch, but it is nice to always have another one of these, keep it in, your backpack for school, or just if you're a girl, purse, so just in case you need to charge something. It's great to have this, and just kind of demo how you use it. Just plug it in like that, and you plug it into a wall, iPod, iPhone, and it'll charge. And that's pretty much it. Let's see what else is in the box here. Just some paperwork. How to do it. Just stuff like that. And the warranty information. Well, this has been Marshall from Pacific Reviews with the Apple USB power adapter. Thank you.